just purchased LuxAlgo Premium or you're still thinking to buy it, this will be a perfect guide video for you. After you just purchase the LuxAlgo, you will get access to your TradingView account and you will go to invite only section and you will see that you get access to a lot of indicators that comes with your subscription model, and you will have backtester, oscillator matrix, screener. So if you're just confused now, don't. I will guide you through the whole way and I will make you a profitable trader using the LuxAlgo toolkit. The first thing what you need to do is add to your chart the price action concepts and the signals and overlays. And after you've done that, let's go to settings for the signals and overlays and you will see the AI classifier, the signal mode, the presets. What I want you to do is please choose confirmation and exits. Please enable the AI signal classifier and make your sensitivity 20. And if you go down, you will see that the smart trail reversal zones, we don't use that for now, and you will switch your AI classifier as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's everything you need to do. If you done that, just hit the OK button. Now we will go to price action concepts and we will enable the volumetric order blocks, internal buy sell activity, and we will enable the fair value gap, the highs and lows, multi-time frame, daily, Monday, weekly, monthly, even you can enable the quarterly. So that's everything you need to set. Now you are good to go. What we will do is we will wait for New York session opening, which is at 9:30, right? So we are rolling the market to get the first signal here, and we are rolling, and the price is pulling back, and now we are about to get our buy signal here, and boom, we got a 2 classified buy signal. If you don't know what those mean, I'm putting on the chart, you will see which signal classifier means what. So we are taking a 5 contracts here on the Nasdaq futures at the 1 minute time frame. So we are taking that, we are putting our stop loss just under this fair value gap. We will be targeting the recent highs over here. Let's see if we get hit or miss. How I confirm my signal is very simple. First, I need to get a 2 classified, 3 classified or 4 classified buy signal. The second, I need to get a bullish fair value gap like this. You can see on my screen. So this box is called a fair value gap. This is a bearish fair value gap. The red ones, the green ones means that a bullish fair value gap. And the final thing you need is a target. Without a target, you can initiate your position. So what do we have? We have these volumetric order blocks over here, which we will use as a partial point. So let's roll the market to see what will happen. The price is ticking up. I want to first take my partial after we clear out these volumetric order blocks, and you can see that we just did that. So let's take off 2 contracts off here, and we have already made a $280, and the rest of it will give us $600. And now what you want to do is you will move your stop loss just under this volumetric order block. Let's roll the market to see what will happen. The price is ticking and boom, we got the full TP here and we made $885 at the New York opening. And now we will continue to watch market to get the next signal. Let's see what will happen. And by the way, I'm not cherry picking. This is the price action just from the yesterday. So let's see. We are moving the market, so waiting basically for the next signal. We have previous day on the high, we have previous day low, we have previous month low. So we got a 2 classified sell signal, right? Again, we will initiate a 5 contracts. So these numbers are just for the demonstration purposes. You can increase or decrease your position size. I'm putting my stop loss to the new high and I will be taking my profit when price hit this previous day low. This is a nice target, right? But I will trail my stop loss as I always do. So let's roll the market to see what will happen. Now I want to get a partial since we're taking out this low and a volumetric order block. So let's take off 2 contracts here. Oh, sorry, we just initiate another sell. Let's take off 4 contracts now, and we will write rest of the position, and I want to put my stop loss just above these candles, and I want to get my full TP here. So let's roll the market to see if we get the full TP. I am trailing my stop loss because the market is basically a tanking. In any way, we already make $1,200 here and we have a $200 here more. So We are waiting, and boom, previous day low has been hit, and we made $1,800 with just 5 micro contracts, which is just unbelievable. I got a lot of questions like which sensitivity should we use, which settings should we use. This is the setting if you just starting out. Increase your signal sensitivity to 20 and target the previous day low, previous month low, or the volumetric order blocks or the session highs like I do here. It is very easy to use and it is highly profitable. All you need to do is just copy my settings, trade on the 1 minute and see with your eyes. And one more important thing is only trade on the New York AM session if you are just starting out. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other LuxAlgo videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you plan the nights in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.